about to do that continuous Mobius grip right now. As you can see, it's a dual extruder bracket. So, right now, it's kind of cool because at this part of the print, it's like a one continuous loop. And you'll see it right now. Once it does the 2 circles, and then it goes one continuous line all the way through. It bounces to the inside, comes back around to the other inside, comes back around. And now to the honeycomb. So that's whatever. That's like every other one. But what it was doing was these holes right there. Sometimes if you hold these up to the light, you can see the honeycomb. I just figured black on black, that'd be cool. If anybody ordering printers from me, if they request their printed parts black, instead of having the blue, if you say wanting to do all black, have that there just to make it look sleeker. I mean, come on. That's what I'm going to do. But if you like, I would do custom colors. Right now all I got is white. What do I have? The regular standard blue, white, and black. And the other one is black PLA. This is actually black ABS, white ABS, and blue PLA, I believe. Yeah, that's what I got left in my PLA. Gotta put some water. Goes to that continuous Mobius strip. So, as you can see, been at it. Mounting the GT. Also getting the ramps together. And I'm going to integrate auto leveling. So it's a fully assembled ramps 1.4 by G-Tech. The only thing they didn't include that I had to solder on myself was these 3 pins. So I could put a jumper on to apply power for the servo. So I got power here now. I'll be testing that pretty soon. GT2560. Moved everything. I actually put one back on because G-Tech sent me a splitter for the Z-axis. So, okay, could work with that. G-Tech also sent me these jumpers for the ramps, and this will allow my original Sanguina Lulu board to come in here. Now these two I'm actually going to be using for these over here. These two I do need for the Z-axis, but in here there's actually enough space, and I'll just show you. Kind of hard one-handed. The good old test plates. They fit in just nice. You take it, turn it around. And it fits in still, just in case it's backwards. So, those fit fine. The extruders will fit fine. This one will not. And as a test, I got it around here somewhere, I know I did. Okay, that's one. Here it is. For those of you with the original connector, that plugs into here, you know that these will fit also on a Ramps 1.4. So, now I will point out one thing. Even if you just still want your single extruder, but you want to add a pulse width modulator for your pen, as you can see, I'm just redirecting this stuff down here. You can tell I'm in a dusty environment. A lot of dirt building up. But that directs the flow downward. I'm going to improve that print because there's actually a hole you can see right there. Now, in the GT2560, right up top, focus in here. Pulse width modulator for the fan, which is right here. Then you have 3 other hookups for 3 other fans that can be continuously on. And in the case when you have an MK with dual fans, when they're set up like this, you can run your 2 fans, you can run your 3rd fan to cool off the board, and 1 to cool off your actual filament when it's extruded. And then of course you got the extra Z axis, or the max and min end stops, the 3 thermistor connectors, regular resort, your LCD 2004 will fit in here and is quite compatible. This, if you have a Sanguina Lulu board, is compatible, which is different from the ramps. So that's one difference. And of course they got the screw terminals for the heat bed. what is this, heat bed, and extruder 0 and extruder 1. And these are actually heat sinked. So I think a little better control, simplified board. There's no need for jumpers. You can just flick the switches, which is a beautiful addition. So go from there and